Hello and welcome to ai1.onl. So here is our recipe generator AI powered tool. Okay, let's say we have some ingredients which we're going to list them here separated by commas. We have apple, we have milk, we have almonds, and we will generate recipe for it. So whatever the ingredients we put up here, the system is going to give us a recipe. But if you see a thing, it means it was a reasoning model and it had to think before giving you the answer. So if it is a thinking model, only in that scenario it will think. Otherwise, if we select a non-thinking model, let's say this one, and generate the recipe, then we don't have the think tag. We will directly have our recipes here. You can play around with it and have fun.